In this training video, we'll be going over email. All of these forms, under where it says forms in blue, all of these forms, whichever one you might access and bring up, you'll always have email in this right side dashboard. Always available email. So for now, we'll just go to call report. So if I want to email a packet to an adjuster, such as the call report and any other forms that I would choose, I'd click on email and this drop down appears. So these are all your forms that you can select. You could select all of them in one shot like that, and let's say you want to deselect. That's one technique. Let's say you don't have a work stoppage form, your job wasn't stopped, but you want the rest of these forms. That's one way to do it. Or you could just say, I just want to send my call report, my estimate summary, work authorization, and do it that way. So check and deselect if you want. And then these are the forms that will go to the email. Super simple to use. For those companies that have subscribed to Company Cam, which they have photos and videos, it's a fantastic company that you can certainly use that, and it's linked through our company. But anyway, this would attach a link. If you were to select it like it is now, the link will be available with all your photos or videos if you have some. And this link will be within the email. So that's a great thing to use right there. The next thing you can select is, do you want to send individual PDFs or do you want to send everything as one PDF? So what that means is, let's say you wanted to send your call report in one PDF. You'd see the icon on the email, and then you have an estimate summary, and there's a second icon. You would select, and then the third, you would select this check mark right here. But let's say you wanted to send them, just all of these are just in one icon, one PDF. Select it that way. The last choice would be, who are the recipients? Do you want to send this to the owner insured, this email? Select it. Or the claims department, you could do both of them at the same time. You could do that. You could do all of them at the same time or just one of them. Or you could select a manual email. Let's say an email that you wouldn't use very often, but somebody was needing this email. So you could fill in an email here and that would work. So it's just that simple. So again, you select your forms, whatever forms you used, your call report, your estimate. This could be invoice. If you selected it, it would show invoice. Work authorization, certificate of completion. So these are all your forms that you are selecting. And then of course Company Cam, if you're subscribed to their service. Is it an individual PDF or is it just one PDF covering everything? And the recipients of the email, where the email is going to go. So once you're done selecting, you would simply send it. Now, if you do not have any of these emails filled out on the call report, such as the HOA or the property management, but you did select it, okay, but it's not filled out again on the call report, this is what's going to happen. This drop down. For this function to work, you will need to fill out the owner insured email address on the call report. Email address has to be filled in. So that's what that's for. So make sure that these emails are filled out on your call report. And then once everything's good, you just send it. It's that simple. So a very, very powerful emailing system that really covers it all. To your success, and thank you for watching.